everyone, and I hope so you all are doing really well. So today I'll be filming something which you all people have been requesting me since a long time, and this is my jewelry video. Like I have divided into like many parts. This is the silver jewelry especially, and I'll be talking about gold jewelry and minimal jewelry in the upcoming time. So first let me see how this video goes. But for the time being, I'll be sharing some of the most affordable pages, link of some of the most affordable silver jewelry pages, and from where do I buy my silver jewelry, and just how to get the minimum of everything, but still, stand out. So how to spend the least and get the most out of it, and how to pair it. So we'll be talking about all of this in this video. So get a pair of silver earrings for yourself, because this is something which will add a lot of value to your simple outfit as well. Like right now I'm wearing a white chikankari kurta. You can wear a white opal kurta, or it could be something Afghani, bohemian, with the ikat print or kalamkari and all of this. Indian prints are so much in vogue right now. You go to Max or Fashion, or you go to, like, whether you see a Geo or anything, you can always witness the Indian prints in print, which I got from Kridha collection. And this is like a statement choker. So you can just tie it around your neck like this and fix it according to what kind of length you want. Sometimes I even use my silver jewelry to add a little collar to my outfits. This is something I like I wear a white shirt, and if I want to give a different touch to it, I just wear a choker. And since it's like this, the one you can fix, it just goes very well with it. This is a kind of hack which I'm sharing with you. This set is from Krishna Arts, and it's a very powerful set. Why am I saying powerful is because it has Durga Ma in it, and it just looks like really well. It comes till here when you wear it, and it looks really well. It has got a very good ring with it too. Sometimes when I am not wearing all of this, I just like to wear this ring to add a little dimension to my outfit. So it looks really good on your hands. So this one I got from Krishna Arts. Okay, now it's silver jewelry, but still, this is something I got from Sarojini, and it's also really good. Like, it comes till here, and you can see how well it goes. Like right now I'm watching more than chokers. These kind of pieces go really well, because chokers and necklace, these are the kind of things which go with a certain kind of outfit. You have to try the hacks with it, you have to experiment a lot with it, but long necklaces are something which go around really well with everything. And all of these jewelry pieces are like under the range of 500, and this one I got for, I think so I got it for 50 rupees from Sarojini, like when I visited Delhi. It was like really good. So a good bargain. I also bargained really well. That was nothing to be told, but still, in case. Okay, so yeah, this is also one of the most prestigious sets. Now this is more of kind of an oxidized silver, and a kind of a black tint white, and it looks really good. This is one of my favorite pieces, and I think so I got it from Krishna Arts only. So this is also like really good. It is quite heavy as well, and you can just see it. So you can always have a long necklace piece like this, and you can always have some earrings like this. Okay, it would just when you mix and match, the best part about silver jewelry is that you don't have to choose the earrings and the necklace from the same place. You can always mix and match any kind of silver jewelry. And this is something which I got long ago. I think so I got it in like 5 to 6 years ago, I think so. And it's something which I've wore a lot on my feed. I recycle my jewelry, I recycle my outfits, and whenever I want to get that Afghan look, I just wear it. And sometimes I like to layer it, like I'm wearing this, and then I wear the long necklace, like just for look. I'm telling you, like you wear this and then you wear the long necklace, so it just gives you the entire look. I'm not very well at displaying right now, I know, but still. Okay, another piece I have over here is this one. Okay, I like this one a lot as well, and it's very beautiful. It's lightweight, actually, quite lightweight, and it's like, oh, wait a second, it's like this. So you can just adjust the length according to your convenience. Like I like it till here when I'm wearing a kurti and all, and I like it till here when I'm wearing a sari. So it's more up to you according to the length of your neck. Also, if you got a long neck, you can just make it likewise. This is a lightweight piece, so this is also good. These are the kind of pieces you can have in your jewelry collection, silver jewelry collection. Earrings again. Now these are, oh, wait a second. Now these are small, like medium size, I guess, because sometimes you don't want to go for that bold look, but still you want to stand out. In that case, you should go for something like this, And always make sure, like, while you're buying your silver jewelry, that you know, the gugru is not broken and everything is in quite a good condition and the chain is quite stable. And especially go for the time ones more, because they are in a much better state, or the thread ones more, because the chain ones usually break if you're buying them from Sarojini and all, like my personal experience. Okay, so I think so I got all of this from Sarojini as well. Sarojini or Janpat, something like that. Yeah, I got it from there only. So now this is, yeah, this is like, I think so I've really not like paired it on my feed, or I don't remember, but it looks really good. Like, you know, it gives the kind of vibe to your outfits, and it's really lightweight. One thing. No, I got it from India Gate. Yes, someone was walking over there. Yeah, I got it from there, I guess. Yeah. Then this is something I bought like very like काफी time pehle, and it's also really good. Plus I made a set with it. I've got something which is exactly like that. Like I told you, sometimes you just want something long in your neck and not too heavy. So in that case, you can always go for something like this with mirrors and all. It looks really gorgeous. I like the combination of silver and mirrors. It's wonderful. And also I got this, like I was quite young, so I was like, okay, I can pair anything, and like that. So in that case, I got this, like, you know, and I really like it, you know, I really like it, but still, also sometimes I like to, you know, just make my silver jewelry like this, like, just, look, it just got a different vibe. This kurti was a simple chicken kari kurti, and now it's like, it has a design in it. So you can always experiment with your earrings and your necklace and all of this thing in a way. And if you want to make it like, I just make it stable like this, nothing is going out from here, like it's very stable. But still, if you want to make really sure of it, you can always attach a pin or something. So this is really good. Okay, and I'm just showing you the kind of hacks which are like, God, people would be like, you do this? And like, yeah, I do this. Again Delhi, I guess. Yeah, again Delhi, I guess. I made this a set with the long one I showed you. This is not exactly silver jewelry, but I don't know how to pair it in like another video also, so I'm just combining it in this one only. And this is also like, I think so, if you watched one of my orange sari pictures, I wore this as a mang tika, and there are many tassel earrings which you can get very easily, and I wore this as a mang tika and it went like really well. Okay, right now my hair is short and I've not even tied it at the back, so I don't know how it's looking, but you know, this is a good idea.